What's something you're excited to do this summer now that you're out of school?
Trying to figure out a way to get a job better, learn how to drive, and see if I can live by myself when they're at work in the summer.
Warrick just turned 18. He's getting ready to graduate high school. We're hoping to get him into some kind of job program, which is what we're doing with MAPS now, to hopefully teach him some more skills to where he can actually go out and learn his independency and to be able to earn his own money.
Well, Warrick has sat down and has created his own goals. The gas station, that was his first and most important goal that he wanted to accomplish. Another one is employment. We're working on safety skills, and he's learning about himself. So we're motivating him to put in information about him and how to keep him safe.
Go straight. Careful on the road.
I ended up coming over and sitting down and showing him the VCREM and how he can use it to navigate his surroundings. And the first thing I said, which goal do you want to work on? As we were building in the layers, the milestone, he said, I want to go to the store.
It'll give me good exercise, and I don't have to drive there because it's close.
So the first step we took, we walked together and we mapped it. We looked at all the barriers, such as crossing the street, navigating how does he interact with his community, such as the community members, neighbors, young children. First, we entered the store together. I just observed him, how he interacted. We just discussed the positive aspects of everything I observed, and then some of the barriers I observed, and we started working as a team of how can we resolve them? What are things that we could do to give him tools to help him?
Can you tell me some of the things you've been working on?
Not say disrespectful words. Not get angry about when they told me it's not enough money to get the candy or drink. Self-control and stuff like that.
First time he came, so he's the first time he just come in and just say hello. And day by day he's coming and he just asked me, well, hi, hello, everything. And just ask me what's your name and how's your day going on. So he's day by day he's processing. The progress was great.
It was scary at first, especially because I know he just does his own thing. He doesn't know fear, and I worried about other people with him. After seeing him do this several times, I don't even have to worry about it anymore.
Have a good day, okay?
One of the big changes we've seen is him being safe. It's built into his maps to notify his parents, to let them know he's taking off. And he has done that, and that's been a big improvement.
I've really been impressed with how he uses the phone. The programs that they use has been very beneficial to him. With the laundry, that was a big start there. We step by step with the program on his MAPS phone, took videos.
Okay, what do we do with that?
We drink it. No, we put it in there.
If we're not around, he can look at his phone and say, oh, that's what I need to do. That's what button I need to press.
Warrick wants to be very independent. MAPS is a program to instill independence, building that confidence, building that natural support, building those relationships to motivate and instill independence.